Hello, I'm Catherine from my hillside garden. Today I'm here with my sixth and final tip for new gardeners. Keep learning. There is so much to find out about gardening that you could watch YouTube videos till the cows come home. Another resource, go to your local library, talk with your librarian. They are a great source of information. I know people tend to go straight to the internet and look for information, but by supporting our local libraries, we're supporting our community. It does matter. Check books out, look at them at home, talk about them with your family, talk about them with your friends, different things you've tried out. Go see botanical gardens if that's what you like. Go to your local nursery, ask questions there. Ask your neighbors. One thing that I've noticed in my neighborhood is I have one neighbor who gardens. No one else spends time in their yard. They're all too busy. So always keep learning. There's so much out there, and it's by sharing with others that we pass our love of gardening along. And that's part of why I started my channel. Not just to keep a record of what I'm doing in my yard, but to share with people who may learn something. So I hope you've enjoyed these little clips on my tips that I think are important for new gardeners. If you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join me on my gardening journey here at my hillside garden. Have a great day. Happy gardening.